pick him up. Him said the one named Romain and Cammy and the long neck girl. This a come from out on house now, we know. Allegedly, me use allegedly because Mr. T cannot tell lie to. This a come straight from out on the house, out on the camp, you know. A three uno go pick up the baby, you know. Three uno go and pick up this child. Me don't want bust no more yet, you know. We are wait till when? If them not do, if you see, if no arrest no come. How long I go turn by each other when I bust this out? Any own, you say if you play the voice note, I go and play it out. Just wait, if not come out a Jayden thing, watch what go happen. You know long when if you come out and do the right thing. You know long just because the other day the girl come out and talk say Mr. T this, Mr. T that, and so make them reach out to Mr. T, they reach out to me, you know. And me hold everything in, you know, me on a thing, so me open up my fridge. And now me not open my fridge yet, you know. Although I don't open the fridge. No, I don't open the fridge. This is 9 months since this baby got missing. 9 months since this baby got missing. 9 months. 9 months since the baby got missing. And listen, him not got missing upon him own. Him got missing because one of uno make him got missing. One of uno make him use him and make dopey with him. You understand? Just because the baby broke him foot. Just because this baby broke him foot, uno do this to this child. Just because the baby broke him foot, uno do hurt this baby. Just because the baby broke him foot, uno hurt him. Remember, I know. Remember, so Mr. T reached out to me at that, uno don't know. Mr. T did reach out to me. Me have the message them here, sir. Mr. T did reach out to me. Never come out and call him name, but now it's time for calling him. Me ask him for clear him name and come clear him name and no, him not come up on you, sir. You understand? Him want text message. And just because me ask him a question, he get angry and a message me back. But me not wild him. Me not wild nobody. We're going to push out everything upon the life eventually. Not wild nobody. You understand? It's just, you know, the police them say them are going to do them job. And surprise say the police them on to something. So that is why we go hold on and wait to see what will happen. If anything not happen, we just put out the liquor when me have. The liquor when me have, we put it out. You understand? Because it's not much, but when we have, we gonna just put it out there. Make you see. So these people here is some evil set of people. And them reaching out to people. It's not like them not reach out to people. They are reaching out to people. Yeah. Because the only reason why him reach out to him want to clear him name. Him want to clear him name. Quote unquote. Him want to clear him name. You understand? Guys, let me tell you something. Jayden never just vanish away. These people know exactly where them do to Jayden. They know exactly. Guys, remember the march is tomorrow. Guys, surprise, send me a screenshot of the permit. Guys, the permit was granted. The permit for the march was granted, guys. It's not joking thing. Surprise, send this to me himself. Surprise, send this to me last night himself. The permit has been granted. See that? Permit, Jayden March permit granted. No bluffing thing. The permit is granted. I just you guys for show up. Show up and show out, guys. And I think them still taking money at this point. Guys, dollar sign Yard Boss official. Dollar sign Yard Boss official. Guys, if you have $2, send it on. You understand? Guys, the march is tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. sharp. And listen, we're walking out for justice for Jayden. Listen, they also, this is, may I show you, say, money now go to vain. This is Jayden mother. Look all surprise fix her up. Eh? Look all surprise fix up. Jayden mother, eh? It take a real man to do that. It take a real man to do that. Surprise, big up yourself. Big up yourself and look out for Andreen. Because if you can't deal with the mother, it not make no sense. It not make no sense. Yeah, search for Jayden. Because Jayden mother are the foundation for Jayden. Jayden mother is the foundation for Jayden. Jayden mother is the foundation for Jayden Smith. You understand? Surprise, big up yourself and make Andreen look like a queen. Andreen a step out tomorrow like the queen she is. Then nobody will wanna think Andreen is. She's not no nobody. She go show no say God give her a divine young man. She go show no how God a work in her life. And she go show no how much family Jayden have. And we no blood, but we are stranger, but we out here for Jayden. She go show up the blood family. Say them a piece of crap. You understand? Listen, wanna see what happen? Wanna see where a stranger come out for poor Jayden, you know? Stranger, living stranger. Jayden family for see Jayden. You see how much of them they come out in the first half. Look who on see stand by her. Stranger stand by Andreen. Not one of Andreen family come out for her. Not one. Stranger stand up for Andreen and her son. And listen, stranger go stand up till she get justice. Strangers is going to stand up with her hand in hand till she get justice. Big up Surprise. Surprise, you did an awesome job. Surprise, let me tell you something. Surprise, I am very, very proud of you. I am pleased of the work you are doing for Jayden. Look how you make Jayden mother look, eh? Look how you make Jayden mother come out. Let me show you something. You see, when you have a man or somebody will mean something, mean good to us something, this is the result. This is the result. Look how the real man come out and set up Andreen. You can't even believe, say, Andreen this. Look, you know, a Surprise come out and do this for Andreen, you know. Surprise say if we are going to do a march, Andreen have to right there. And Andreen have to be the queen that she is. And him go out and make her the queen that she is. You understand? Him go out, him make sure him do her hair, do her nails. I'm going to give her nice clean clothes. Him not come out here and class her. Him not come out here and drag her. Him come out here and make her be the queen. Because Jayden was a divine, a choosing young man. So him come out and put the mother on the pedestal for stand. Look here, eh? Surprise, pick up yourself, Surprise. This is a Surprise, you's a real man. Surprise, I salute you tonight. Surprise, I salute you tonight. You know why? You lead by example. You lead by example, Surprise. You show how a man come out and lift up a queen. Surprise, you show every man how you come out and lift up a broken queen. You never go and break her down. You help lift her up. It take a real man for the way you do surprise. It take a real man for the way you do surprise. You see her broken and you lift her up. You lift her up. And for this the Most High I go bless you. Surprise. Surprise. For this the Most High I go bless you. You see her broken. You never tear her down. Surprise. Surprise. You lift up Andrine. Look at Andrine, guys. These are the only march where Andrine stand out as the mother.